Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to the gym. I just did my makeup because I'm puffy, like always. I shaved my legs and tan my legs, so today we're gonna be wearing shorts. Most of my gym clothes is from Dumptruck. Let's see. Okay, and we'll wear black sports bra. So I have a black Nike sport, or not Nike, black Gymshark sports bra, Gymshark Vital Seamless shorts. Yeah, this is fun. Time for shoes. These are my favorite shoes ever. They're called Adidas Arkin. They're like the Ultra Boost right here, or the Boost, and they're so nice and comfortable. What are those? I do have 3 pairs of them, and then I have like 3 other colors. So when I say they're good, they're literally my favorite. Apple Watch. As you can see, I tanned. It looks so bad. It's fine. Bye, Lexi. Bye. It's hot outside. Hello.
What's up? Not this good, sorry.
I said hello.
Hello.
The streets pay me.
Yeah. Got it on me, running my sleeves. Stick to the game, no stick to the running for free. Running for free, paying you alimony. I don't wanna be free. Wanna be real, stick to the news. Yeah, wow. Got it on me like oh, yeah. Got it on me, running my sleeves. Stick to the game, no stick to the part of my speech. Running my yeah. Got it on me, stick to the game, no stick to you. Running for free, running for free. Who got it all now? Who got it better now? Won't do it by myself, yeah. Got it on me, running my sleeves. Stick to the game, no stick to the running for free. Running for free, paying you alimony. I don't wanna be free. Wanna be real, stick to the news, yeah, wow. Got it on me like oh, yeah. Got it on me, running my sleeves. Stick to the game, I don't stick to the part of my speech. Running my yeah. Got it on me, stick to the game, no stick to you. Running for free, yeah. Who got it all for me? Who got it all for me? Stop showing, I wanna be up for it, wanna be. Got it all now, running it all now. Got it on me, running my sleeves. Stick to the game, no stick to the running for free. Paying you alimony, I don't wanna be free. Wanna be real, stick to the news, yeah, wow. Got it on me like oh, yeah. Got it on me, running my sleeves. Stick to the game, I don't stick to the part of my speech. Running my yeah. Got it on me, stick to the game, no stick to you. Running for free, yeah.
I done caught a wave at a young age. Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls go to Starbucks, yeah. All of these girls up in college. I like them smart with no drama. I do find a girl, make her smile, make her happy. Get a ring, make a child start family. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need to drop an album for the Grammys, like yeah. She said she met me in college, I knew her, that's true. I'ma be home soon, let's go get coffee for two. She liked me soon as she met me, I knew as soon as I met her, I took my shot, feel like Reddit, come be with a king like a Redder, it's true. She go early, that's prophecy. I need a power, that's down for me. To make my good days my better days. I ordered peach green tea lemonade. I might just post up at the Starbucks, maybe hit the drive-thru, You can hit me with the drop pin, cause I can't find you, She said she met me in college, I knew her, that's true. I'ma be home soon, let's go get coffee for two.
I just got home from the gym. It's 5:30 right now. I'm about to go see what food there is in the fridge. If not, I'm gonna make myself something. And then I get to do homework, yes. I do always feel really jittery when I get home from the gym because since I'm on an empty stomach, a pre-workout just like has me very, but it's okay. It goes away after I eat. Let me show you guys the pre-workout that I use. This one, Get Natural Flex. I've been using it for many years. This is the only flavor I like, which is black cherry. I got it on Amazon for like 30 bucks. Also, I wanted to show you guys the clips that I use for the barbell. I like using these. They're also from Amazon. They just kind of like click. Because the ones that they do have at the gym are like either messed up, they don't work, or they're just hard to like put on. And also for when I do hip thrust, I have this barbell pad. It's also from Amazon. I can link it down below. It's called Iron Bull Strength. I don't know if you guys can. It's lasted me a long time. It's really good. I think regardless, you do get bruising like on your hips. I get bruising on my hips regardless. It's just, obviously it helps. There's people that use like a yoga mat. I just like this. I wasn't planning on filming today. I was just kind of like, I'm gonna film my leg workout today. So I'm hoping that the videos came out good. It was kind of hard to record at the gym because either everyone's staring, everyone's in the way, or it's kind of hard to find like the right angles to record at. I'm gonna pass out. It's probably gonna be a really short video. It's just what I go through at the gym. And thank you guys so much. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.